Once upon a time in a busy town lived a forgetful man named Benny. Benny loved strolling in the park, especially when the sun peeked through fluffy clouds. One day, Benny took his favorite umbrella, a bright red one, for a walk. As he enjoyed the fresh air, he got lost in his thoughts and left the umbrella on a park bench. When Benny realized he forgot his umbrella, he went back to the park, but it was gone. Feeling sad, he searched high and low, asking everyone he met if they had seen his bright red umbrella. As Benny was about to give up, a kind little girl named Lily approached him. She held out the umbrella, saying, "Is this what you are looking for, mister?" Benny's face lit up with joy. He thanked Lily and asked how she found it. Lily explained, "I saw you leave it behind, so I picked up to return it to you." Benny felt grateful and learned a valuable lesson about kindness. He thanked Lily again, promising to be more careful with his belongings. From that day on, Benny and Lily became unlikely friends, often sharing stories and laughs in the park. And whenever Benny walked with his bright red umbrella, he held it tight, remembering the day he found not only his lost umbrella but also a wonderful friend. Sometimes a small act of kindness can brighten someone's day and lead to unexpected friendships.